Want to hide contact names from your iPhone message notifications? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. This is perfect if you get messages in public, at work, or in meetings and don't want names popping up on your screen. We'll start on your home screen and walk through the exact settings to hide names but still keep notifications useful. First, unlock your iPhone and find the gray Settings app icon with the gear symbol. Tap on Settings to open it. All of our changes will happen here. Now let's adjust your notification style so names stay hidden but you still know when a message arrives. In Settings, scroll and tap Notifications. Next, scroll down and tap Messages. This controls how your text alerts appear. Under Lock Screen Appearance, tap Show Previews. Choose When Unlocked or Never. This hides names and message content from your locked screen. For extra privacy, tap Customize Notifications and turn off Show Sender Names if your iOS version shows that option. Now your iPhone will alert you to new messages, without showing contact names on your lock screen. Clean, private, and distraction-free.